the wolf hat. I'm Dylan. I'm going to do a vacuum review. I wear earphones to protect my ears. So here we go. So that's how that one works. And this one is the Bissell rewind, like that one is the Hoover rewind. That's how that one works. Mom?
Yep. Keep going, baby.
Can I do this after I'm done because it's really fun?
Keep going. You're doing this one.
Then I'll go again. So you guys, I want to do this again, so I'll show you how it.
All right. Before you go, can we give a verdict?
What's that mean?
Let's go give a hug over here to this Hoover wind tunnel rewind right over here, this red one. Give it a hug. Give it a big hug and a big kiss and say, this Hoover rewind is the winner.
This Hoover rewind and the winner, and this one, and this one. They're all the winners.
Yeah.
Of course.